All right, first demo of the project. I don't want to say the day because you never know. First thing I'm going to do, we're in the brainstorming session of this kind of like idea, I'm going to break my page again so that I can have 1, 2, 3, 4 brainstorms. I've got two markers here. Sorry about the camera will focus once I start drawing. I have a Sharpie ultra fine point, and then I also have by the company Marabou this fine liner graphics. I picked two. A while ago I signed up for this program. It's called Art Snacks. I'll write that out for you in case any of you guys want to do it. I don't know. It's not the greatest thing in the world, but it's kind of neat. It's like .com, I believe. Just give it a Google. I don't know. I think it would be a thing like if you have extra money. If you're really trying to get art supplies that you want to use, just send me an email and I can help you out with that. But if that you've got like extra cash and you want to spend $15 a month and get random art supplies every month, it is kind of fun. But I did it I signed up for a year, and at the end of the year, I had a pile of supplies that I hardly used, and so now I'm working my way through them. So I don't know. It's like you see the website and you think like, oh, these new supplies are gonna like change my life, and it's like my big lesson was it's not about your tools, it's about you. So I'm going to break the page. And full disclosure, I've already done about 30 minutes of drawing, so I am warm. But I am not just going to like wing two lines on here. I'm really going to try, without a ruler, to measure and find the exact middle point. So I had 2 attempts, attempt 1, attempt 2, and then I'm going to really try, and I only get one shot at this, so I got to ghost it. I'm really going to try to draw a very straight line. All right, cool, no ruler. So, and the thing is, it's funny, because you'd think to like practice something, 100 straight lines. No, okay, quality over quantity, and then once you have quality, you can work on a quantity of quality. And I guess what I'm saying is, when you only have 2 attempts at something, it really does kind of change the way you think about it. The last time I did this line, when I broke my page for our four square drawing exercise, it's even in my head. I remember that my line kind of like tapered off around here. So I'm going to make sure I ghost it, make sure my arm doesn't hit anywhere, and then let's give it a shot. No! Oh, all right, let's see if I can pick that back up. I wanted to get, that's partial. That's okay. That's okay. This is my page, and that's how I've got it set up. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work through my first line-based design. And I want you to notice that this Sharpie here, it has that little quill nib point. This is going to make a much different line than that. So as far as lines go, you could have a swoopy line that goes from one end of the page to the other. You could have a zigzag line that goes from one end of the page to the other. You could have, it's boring, but you could do a straight line. I think that's boring though. I did it. And I don't know. In any case, when you start this project, you want to have like 4 or 5 lines that go from one end of the page to the other, and they don't cross. A line is a dot, so I'm going to put my dot down, and then I'm going to move it, all right? And it's going to go from point A to point B. And if it goes from point A to point B in one straight line, it's a vector, or it could go from point A, which would be right here, point A, and then all the way down to point B over there. What I'm going to do in the interest of time, is I'm going to speed this up, and I'm going to fill this in. Okay, I'm going to use contour lines. So when two lines follow the same path, they are contour lines. In math, you would call these lines parallel. If you call them parallel in art class, it's not like it's the end of the world, but the more accurate statement is that they are contour lines. So I think I've given you guys enough. So like I said, I'm going to stop talking. The video is going to speed up, and we will meet up after that.